Why is it that the rich keep getting richer? It's not just luck, it's not magic. It's a money system the top 1% live by, one that most people never learn. But what if you could learn it today? In the next few minutes, I'll break down how the wealthiest people manage their money and how you can too, no matter how much you earn right now. Hey everyone. If you're tired of feeling like your money disappears faster than you make it, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the 1% think about money, manage it, and grow it step by step in a way that's easy to understand and apply. Part 1. The 1% think differently about money. The first major difference. Mindset. The 1% don't see money as something to spend, they see it as something to use. Most people earn money and ask, what can I buy? The 1% ask, how can I make this grow? Instead of chasing income, they build assets, things that make money for them, even while they sleep. Example? They'll invest in stocks, rental properties, or even businesses, instead of spending everything on lifestyle. Part 2. The 50-30-20 rule upgraded. You may have heard of the 50-30-20 rule. 50 needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. The 1% flip this on its head. Here's their secret formula. Pay yourself first. That means saving and investing before spending. The 1% money allocation strategy simplified. 30% investing or saving, 40% needs, rent, bills, food, 20% wants, fun stuff, 10% learning or growth, books, courses, mentors. They treat money like a tool, not a reward. Part 3. Build multiple income streams. One job equals one income. The 1% aim for multiple income streams. Why? Because if one fails, the others keep flowing. Types of income streams they build: active income, job or business; passive income, investments, real estate, royalties; side income, freelancing, online business, affiliate marketing. Even with a small amount, they start small, buying a few shares or selling something online, and grow from there. Part 4. Protect your money. It's not just about making money. The 1% also protect their money. How? Emergency fund, 3-6 months of expenses. Insurance, health, life, property, tax planning. They legally reduce taxes by investing smartly. They don't gamble with their money, they plan for the unexpected. Part 5. Continuous learning. The 1% are always learning, reading books, attending seminars, hiring coaches. They treat financial literacy like a skill, not just common sense. Recommended reading: Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki; The Millionaire Next Door, Thomas J. Stanley; The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel. You don't have to be rich to start learning, but you do have to start learning to become rich. Managing your money like the 1% isn't about being born into wealth. It's about changing how you think, spend, and grow your money. Start small, be consistent, and remember, wealth is a habit, not a number. Tired of fake promises and get rich quick schemes? Let me tell you something real. You can make money online, but only if you treat it like a business, not a fantasy. In this video, I'll show you real, proven methods that actually work. And no, it's not crypto hype or dropshipping fairy tales. Ready? Let's go. The truth about making money online. Hey, it's your name, and today I'm giving you a no-BS guide to making money online. No fake screenshots, no fluff, just real strategies. Here's the truth. Making money online is possible, but it's not easy, fast, or passive in the beginning. You have to learn a skill, put in work, and stay consistent. If you're okay with that, keep watching. If you're looking for earn $10,000 a week doing nothing, this isn't the video for you. Section 1. Learn a high-income skill. Learn a high-income skill. Here are a few examples. Freelance writing: companies will pay for blogs, newsletters, and ad copy. Graphic design: if you know how to use Canva or Photoshop, you're already ahead. Video editing: every YouTuber and brand needs a good editor. Web development or coding: always in demand. Go to websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Toptal. Start small, offer your services, build a portfolio. The money might be slow at first, but it grows with your experience. Section 2. Start with freelancing platforms. You don't need a website or a huge audience to start. Just create a strong profile on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Plep, tips for success. Use a professional photo. Write a clear bio explaining what you do. Offer 1-3 services with simple pricing. It's all about building reviews and trust. Once you do that, clients will come to you. Section 3. Create content and build an audience. Build an audience. Use platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. What do you share? What you're learning. How you're growing your skill behind the scenes of your freelance work. This builds trust. People start seeing you as an expert. And later you can sell digital products, courses, or coaching. Section 4. Passive income streams. Once you've built a skill and audience, then comes passive income. Here are real options. Sell an ebook on what you've learned. Create an online course. Affiliate marketing. Recommend tools you already use. YouTube ad revenue. Create searchable videos around your skill. But remember, passive income isn't passive at first. You build once and get paid many times later. Section 5. Stay focused and avoid scams. Here's what to avoid. Get rich quick schemes. Crypto trading. If you don't understand it. Dropshipping with no plan. Courses that promise overnight success. Instead, pick one skill. Learn for 30-60 days. Take action daily. Show your work online. Stay focused. This is a marathon, not a sprint.